So many people. I guess you haven't had anything like this since maybe like 2019 before COVID, right?
Exactly. Now that the country has adjusted its COVID-19 response, people are traveling again. You know how many? 2.1 billion passenger trips over a 40-day period.
Oh, whoa.
You don't have much luggage.
Traveling light. You know why? Because I didn't think I'd be able to squeeze a big case onto this train, not with all those people.
My friend Daniel spent many spring festivals in Beijing, but he has no idea how the traditional festival is celebrated in remote rural areas in this vast country. That's what he's about to discover. We are setting off from Hankou Station in Wuhan, heading west.
When I lived in China previously, the idea of traveling at Spring Festival was, frankly, a turn-off. I didn't want to get caught up in the frantic rush. But here I am, and it's fine. My first train brought me here from Shanghai, and now we're on a second one. Despite the crowds, everything works well. Things are well organized. The trains are fast, safe, comfortable, and on time.
We are heading for Yichang, and from there, into the countryside.
Tell me again, what's the name of the place we're heading to?
Zhengjiabang village.
So can I say Zhongjiabang Sun?
Pronunciation not bad.
Really?
Close. It's in an area where Tujia people live. I reckon you will love the place and its people and food.
Ni hao. 你们的地方真漂亮。那时候跳，什么时候建造的？
我们这是在7年前，在一座老桥上面维修重建的一个廊桥。我们在前面走一下。
Wow, man, it's fabulous. I like the stream, the mountains, the trees, the houses here. It's honestly, this looks great.
I promised you I would take you somewhere spectacular.
You were right. Let's go.